Florida road tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough tour through the city of Downtown Ocala, Florida. This is to give you a closer view of what the downtown area looks like. And now it's time for the show to begin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
There's something about you. You know I crave your touch, but we don't need to rush. There's something about you, immersed inside my mind. Maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's already over. 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 Overload.
Tell me what you desire. Let's get lost inside, lose track of time. Oh, and every side, we got nothing to hide. Wanna see your skin on mine.
There's something about you. You know I crave your touch, but we don't need to rush. There's something about you. I know it's hard to find. Listen, it's a sign, 'cause it's already over. 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 It's already over. 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 Overload. I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. I won't pretend I ever found my way. I've made my healthy share of fair mistakes, still learning the give and the take. But I'm seeing everything through brand new eyes, taking in the world through different light. Thought I wasted all my life, but I think I changed my mind. I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. I won't profess I've got it change my mind. I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything.
While walking through downtown Ocala, I came to a store called Grandpa Joe's Candy Shop. Let's look around.
Chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything. Evergreen.
Okay, we've come to the end of another video. I hope that you did enjoy. Stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.